So here's how I edited the revealing cat robot theme video for my puzzle game Lights Out. The theme is inspired by Doraemon, so I wanted the edit to feel fun, nostalgic, and visually exciting from start to finish. I started with the pop-ups. To give them some charm, I added a gentle snow effect to each one. Then I tweaked the blur, animation timing, and entry effects so every line feels like it appears with purpose, kind of like a conversation unfolding in a dreamy world. Next, I worked on the grid section. I wanted to add a little twist, so I went with a skull face element. After testing a few styles, I picked the one that felt just quirky enough, resized it to fit perfectly, and gave it a shaking animation to add some playful energy. Then it was thumbnail time. While editing the video, I felt the music hit just right, so in the YouTube thumbnail, I added a small note: use headphones for better experience. Designed the rest in Canva, keeping it clean and visually synced with the vibe of the video. For the Instagram reel, I wanted to make something instantly clickable. So I added bold text saying revealing cat robot theme, included the game's logo, and added some glow and layered elements in the background to grab attention quickly. Finally, I wrapped things up with a soft post-credit screen, showing Play Store and App Store icons, and a few social handles. Just something simple to help people check out the game if they enjoyed the vibe of the video. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe if you're into this kind of content.